I'll do it. He's got to stop in there. He might stop in there. He'll stop. Yeah, he's going to stop. He's going to stop for you. Oh man, thanks dude. Thanks mate. Hey, thanks man. Oh, you're what? Okay. Yeah, no, just Martin said this morning he wasn't going to stop any trucks. So, yeah. But I appreciate you stopping, mate. Yeah, cool. Just, yeah. Thanks, man. I see these trucks being loaded with deficits down there at Fremantle, all the grain and stuff. I see the Marley's truck. Yeah, well. Big transport cattle and that to deficits and that. No. It's like a big truck, this thing. What license do you have to have this? MR? MC. Yeah. Can I ask you, you've got still guilty or bad or anything driving them to there? No. He said, oh no, all good. Transport, yeah. Pardon? Yeah. Oh, right. So you don't have to drive on the farm, you're not the farmer. Oh, right. Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, sick. Yeah, no worries. Alright mate, hey, thanks very much, hey. Thank you. Well. Well, load of pigs. That was an interesting conversation with the driver. Yeah.